Time is now 5 minutes after 4. Same day, same year.
Oh yeah.
And
Yeah.
we already came down from Nutcracker, which is there. I don't have a zoom on GoPro, but we put a pole with a red flag. We can see it from here. A red flag and a wooden pole. We built it. And we came down from there and we decided to visit the volcano, which we visited last year on June 30th. And we came here to check out this pole with a flag, but this one cracked in half because of the wind, I guess, during the winter time, and this part was on the top of that. But nevertheless, that Nutcracker summit with a red flag in it, over it, which I just put an hour ago or so, and we're standing on the top of the dormant volcano without name. Doesn't have any name, just like Green Mountain in front of you, same thing, just lower and smaller.
Look, the little ring here.
Oh yeah, I can see little ring on the back.
But it's far away.
It's far, it's not 2 kilometers, that's for sure. Anyway, my battery is running out. I'll give you a quick view. That's me. Quick view from the top of the volcano.
Let's see, the elevation here is changed.
Check elevation, yeah. What is it? Should be like 1060 meters or something. What it says? 1000. Oh, sorry, 2000.
100, but it's not.
It cannot be the same like the other one. Anyway, we'll figure it out. I think that the last short video for today. I have to save batteries.